Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm iteshamarie. Today I'm going to be trying out the new Cecred Styling collection. So if you guys are interested in seeing me use and try these products, then just keep watching. I already washed, conditioned, and deep conditioned. To wash, I use the Cecred Hydrating Shampoo. Conditioner, I use the Olaplex Bond Conditioner. And then deep conditioner, I use the Cecred Deep Moisture. I think it's like Moisture Deep Conditioner or something like that. But this is my hair. I've had it in Miracle Knot braids that y'all saw in my previous video for almost a month, and I plan on cutting my hair. I don't know if I'm gonna do that today or if I'm gonna wait until tomorrow. Yeah, we'll see. So this is the Thermal Shield Mist and then the Heat Activated Silk Glaze. All right, so first thing I'm gonna do is go in with the Thermal Shield Mist. All of these do have heat protection in them up to 450 degrees. My hair is still damp out of the shower. Make sure I get all of the section. Only directions that it gives for this, it just says to shake it well, apply liberally to damp hair in sections, do not use on dry hair, and style with heat as desired. The heat activated silk glaze, start with clean, damp, detangled hair and part in 4 sections. On one section, apply 2 pumps or a quarter size amount working from roots to ends. Comb through to coat evenly and then blow dry that section immediately with tension. I'm gonna go in with my 2 pumps of the silk glaze. That seems like a lot of product for one section of hair, but whatever you say, Cecred girl. They said from roots to ends. It does feel kind of like a watery serum, and I'm gonna brush it through. Well, it feels like really slippery. I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry this. I'm done with this section, and I must say it does feel like there's nothing on my hair. And usually if I put 2 pumps of anything on one section of hair before blow drying it, that's gonna be way too much. Usually 2 pumps of anything on my whole head is way too much. That seemed to work pretty well. I am gonna spray a little bit of water because my hair is trying to dry already. So I'm gonna take my silk glaze, 2 pumps, and then work it from the root to the ends. That seems like a lot. The good thing is I know that my hair is being protected from the heat. I'm just gonna brush that through. The directions also said to make sure you're applying tension when you blow dry it. This section of my hair, this front section, feels a lot silkier than this back section. So I think I probably could have used even more of this in this back section of my hair, just because this is a much thicker section and my hair is longer back here. So I'm thinking maybe 2.5 pumps for the back section. 1, 2, 2.5. It does feel nice on my hair. It doesn't feel like sticky or anything. This is how my hair looks blow dried. I need a trim, but I'm going to give my hair a cut. For a blow dry, it does have a nice sheen to it. It doesn't feel sticky, it doesn't feel waxy, it doesn't feel like anything is on my hair. My hands feel just a little bit sticky. Nothing that's like annoying or anything. I put a lot of product in my hair and it doesn't feel like I put anything on it. It does feel soft, it doesn't feel dry, it doesn't feel brittle. I do feel like I should have put a leave-in conditioner in my hair. Usually I use this Olaplex leave-in or the Fenty one. Okay, I did go in with just a little bit of the Cecred Moisture Sealing Lotion because my hair felt just a a little bit dry, which I expected because it's been in braids for a month. I decided to go ahead and flat iron my hair because I have the flexible hold hairspray. It's supposed to help protect your hair against humidity. It's been raining for the last few hours outside. It's really humid. It might rain again and I'm supposed to be going out. Now is a better time than ever to try out this hairspray and see if it's actually humidity resistant, because my hair is natural all the way down to like here. This is what's left of my Texlax. All right, so I put up the how to use the flexible hold hairspray. It says to shake it well, hold the can 8 to 10 inches from hair and spray evenly. Use on dry hair before styling with hot tools to lock in your look, or mist over finished hair for flexible hold. Reapply as needed to maintain style. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray this. Smells pretty good. Gonna brush this through. Ooh, that smells really good. Almost smells like a hair perfume. All right, so I am just gonna go ahead and start flat ironing my hair. All right, immediately I am seeing how shiny my hair looks. Very silky shiny. All right, this is how my hair looks after one pass with the flat iron. I'm tired, y'all, I'm not gonna lie. This is how it looks. Can y'all see the shine? Because I can definitely see the shine. Ooh. You guys can see I need a trim real bad, but like I said, I'm actually planning on cutting my hair. I'm just not gonna do it tonight. The side of my hair is always much longer. I wish that you guys could feel how my hair feels, because oh my god, it feels so silky, really silky. I don't feel like I did my best when it came to flat ironing my hair this time, just because I was just trying to hurry up and get done with it. How it turned out, I think it looks really good. My hair feels really, really good. Especially for me to, one, just come out of braids, and two, I did not use a leave-in conditioner, and that's a big no-no for me. Also, didn't use the hair oil like I usually do. Like I said, I did go in with a little bit of the moisture sealing lotion. I am about to go out. It is really, really humid outside because it's been raining. Hopefully, my hair does not revert. I'm actually gonna spray a little bit more of this in my hair. I like this hairspray too. Like, it doesn't leave my hair feeling weird or crunchy. It just feels nice. This is how my hair looks. Using the new Cecred Styling collection. I like it. I feel like it is worth it. I'm gonna update y'all on how my hair holds up in the rain. Yeah, we'll see. This is actually the next day because I got in pretty late last night and there was no way that I was about to record. I just came home, took my makeup off, brushed my teeth, and I went to bed. I don't know if y'all could tell from the footage that I inserted here, but it was raining a lot to the point where I put a hat on. I wore a little baseball cap and I even wore a jacket that had a hood on it. So my hair didn't get like wet, definitely humid outside, but this is how my hair looks the next day. I did not wrap my hair. I literally just did, like, pulled it to the back like this, and then it was really bootleg, girl. I just like pulled it up like this, put a clip here and a clip there so it will like hold, and then I put my scarf on it. That was it. When I took it down this morning, this is how it looks. I would say that this spray definitely works when it comes to preventing frizz from humidity. It looks exactly the same as it did when I flat ironed it yesterday, this morning. Like there is no frizz at all. So this was the only thing that I didn't show y'all, was the strong hold gel. I didn't do anything to my edges. This is how they are looking right now. I'll go ahead and, you know, do my edges really quick just to see how this works. Actually, you know what? I did use this. I used it the last week that I had my braids in because I wanted to see if this would flake up or not. And I can say that it did not turn white. I didn't get any flakes. I'm just gonna take, I don't know if y'all can see like that much. Consistency of this is kind of like a, I don't want to say like a watery gel, but it doesn't feel like a super firm gel. It almost reminds me, I don't know if you guys have used Extreme gel before. It comes in like that huge tub. The consistency of it kind of reminds me of that. Okay, so I'm done doing my edges. I'm not gonna tie this down. I usually do. I just want y'all to see how this is holding. My edges are not curling back up. And I do like that my edges, ooh, they feel soft. I like that because I don't like it when my edges feel hard and crunchy. I know some people do, but this is not a hard and crunchy type of gel. My edges definitely feel soft. I don't like a strong, crunchy edge. It just makes me feel like my edges are gonna fall out. I like it. I do, I like it. So far, I would say that I would give this product a 9 out of 10. As far as holding up in the humidity, I'm not mad at that. This Thermal Shield Mist, I feel like it did what it's supposed to do. I mean, it's a heat protectant spray. It didn't leave any weird residue on my hair, so I like this. The thing that I like the most though would definitely have to be this heat activated silk glaze. This left my hair really shiny. Did not leave any residue on my hair. The fact that I had to put 2 pumps on each section, I've never put that much product in my hair when I'm doing a silk press. So I'm not gonna lie, I was scared. I thought that my hair might feel like waxy or just feel like it has some weird residue on it, but it didn't. It literally felt like nothing. My hair did feel really silky after I straightened it with the flat iron, and it still feels really silky, and it still has a nice shine to it. If you want to use this for a wash and go, I feel like this would be good. Or if you like your edges soft, like a soft hold, then you would like this too. With the products that I tried from this new Cecred Styling collection, I like them. If you guys were wondering about my thoughts on the new Cecred Styling collection, I like it. I would recommend if you're looking for some products that have heat protection, some humidity protection, and it's gonna leave your hair with a silky shine on it. And it's nice and lightweight. If you guys are planning on trying any of the products from the new Cecred Styling collection, drop me a comment down below and let me know what you plan on picking up, or if you have any questions for me about any of the products that I use. Also, these are in Ulta in store now. You can head to Ulta. You don't even have to order online. You can go right in Ulta and pick up these products. That's nice. I love it when I can go in Ulta, just grab my little things same day. Thank y'all so much for watching. I will see y'all next time. Bye.